A craftsman named Noah crossed the Atlantic carrying little more than determination and skill. As New York Harbor emerged through the morning mist, so did the opportunity to build something lasting. Noah eventually settled in Washington, D.C., where he devoted himself to mastering the art of wallpaper installation. Every wall, every seam, every detail mattered. Historic homes, museums, galleries, and luxury properties came to trust Noah's craftsmanship. Quality, above all else, remained the guiding principle. Noah began passing his knowledge to the next generation. What started as one man's dream became a thriving company. Shotcount became recognized far beyond its original roots. Innovation transformed the industry, but craftsmanship remained timeless. Designers, architects, builders, and homeowners continued turning to Shotcount for projects demanding perfection. Today, Shotcount continues the journey Noah began generations ago.